We got another one. We have another celebrity releasing an NFT. This time it's Nas. He released the Royal NFT collection. And this NFT collection features Nas and 2 of his tracks from his Grammy-nominated award-winning album King's Disease. Those songs are Ultra Black and Rare. And this NFT collection actually gives you the ability to invest in Nas by buying his NFT. So let me break that down for you. When you buy this NFT, you actually get a % ownership of his token and of his royalty sales from his songs. You can see here the percentages. It looks like it also comes with VIP concert tickets and some exclusive merch and some other things like that. Now let's check out the website and see what we can find out. Yeah, so I'm definitely taking some points off for not having your website up after taking $500,000 from your customers. So now let's get into the final leg of the review. Let's talk about the potential I see this project having. Let me just start off by saying I love this idea. I love to see Nas pioneering in the music space like this. It's going to give fans a way to interact with artists that they've never had before. You're going to be able to actually invest in your artist. And the better that their music does, the more royalties you'll get from whatever NFT that they drop. I like to see him doing this. I really do think that there's potential for this to grow down the road if we see more and more artists start to do this. It could change the way that people invest in the music industry in general, and that's great. On the other hand, for this project in particular, having 2,000 plus owners and such a small % of the royalty, it's just not for me, so I'm out. But that's just my thoughts. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and check out the Discord down below. We talk crypto, NFTs 24/7. I'll see you next time. Peace.